morning! It's Vlogmas day. Anong day na ba ngayon? Pero it's Vlogmas and now we're here. Staycation ulit sa tropical stay naman ngayon. It's just the next door neighbor of Hamanda Hotel. Later, magta-transfer tayo sa Hamanda. Pero I'll give you a quick room tour. Tropical Stay PH has 3 villas and we chose villa number 2. Let's go inside. As you enter the room, there is this dresser and this vanity mirror. And hey there. And we also have this coffee nook over here where we have all the things complimentary. And the other side has this bathroom. I really love the bathroom because just look at it, guys. Now let's go inside. We have the TV over there and the bed over there, and as you can see, my sister is still sleeping. Let's keep quiet. So when you go out of this room, there is this sliding door and we have our own pool. Actually, it's not a pool, it's just a tub, and it's really nice to take photos here, but it was raining when we were there. May pagkain na. I'm so excited to eat. Yes. So guys, ayan, meron tayong breakfast pero usually sineserve siya dun din sa labas. Kaso umuulan ngayon, hindi ko nga alam kung makakapag-swimming kami. Pero there, daming kanin ng ate ko, ako yung uubos kasi matipid ako sa ulam. At I love rice. Umuulan pa rin. Pero ipupush natin sa... All dressed up. Nice. Pa-check out na kami sa Tropical Stay kasi late kami pumunta kagabi. But we're just moving out to the Hamanda Hotel, which is neighbor lang nito. As in, akit lang kami tapos nandun na yung room namin. So, yan. Pero medyo kasi, dami ko kasing dala eh. So, may episode 1 na! True Beauty! Ayan guys, we're back here in Hamanda and now ito yung room ko. Before, my room was over there. If you have watched my Vlogmas with my friends from Manila, doon ako. Now, we're here in this room. Hindi ko to vinidyohan nung una kasi I want to video it now. Yan, room tour! Oh, ang ganda. Yan na yun. Yan na yung room. Tapos, meron siyang terrace. Ay, paano ito binubuksan? Ayan. Yan. Tapos, dito is the pool. Ito yung CR ng room namin. I really love the CR of Hamanda. Love it. Nice. And, ayun outfit ko. This is from Luscious Closet. Ito yung sinusuot ni Heart Evangelist. That's so nice. And ngayon, nag-aayos tayo. I have my makeup here. Kasi, aayos tayo and magpa-photoshoot. Like what I did kaninang naligo ako sa may tropical stay. Kakadating lang namin dito. Ito na. Kakain na kami. Oh my gosh. Wala na kaming ginawa kundi kumain at matulog here. Ang ganda. What? Okay, let's eat. ko na siya itutuloy kasi pagod na ako. Ang hirap mag-isa nag-shoot. Pero ito. Details. Zara. Zara ba ito? Oo, Zara. Gentle Monster chain. And ganda talaga ng chain ng Gentle. Tingnan natin ang ginagawa ng ate ko. Seryoso mo. Change outfit again. Mag-order tayo sa souk. I'm gonna go down and order sa souk. Hi guys, we're just killing time. Nanonood ng startup yung sister ko. And now, nag-order na kami ng takeout because we're going out tonight. We're not gonna stay here. My friend is gonna stay here instead for me kasi it's always me na here. Hindi na ako umuwi sa bahay. So, I have to go home because it's been so long. It's about a week already that I'm always staying out of the house. So, yun. I'm gonna see you later. I think pag dumating na lang yung food, I'm gonna update you guys.
전형적인 에크하이어입니다.
에크하이어? Oo, mabagal. Hindi siya 24 hours?
24 hours siya.
Hindi, para siyang mall. Hi guys, finally back home and unpacking the things that I brought in the staycation. Super pagod ko today. And before we went here sa bahay, nag-stop over kami dun sa house ng isang priest na very close sa aming family. Medyo time to catch up lang, have dinner, and yun, talk about life. Yun, I had fun and I had a time to pause and think about everything. Now guys, bago natin tapusin lahat ng unpack ko na hindi ko na shoot, mag-aano ako, punta ako sa labas, magti-tea tayo. Naiwan ko siya dito. Ito yung bago nating ito try, Camellia flower tea. Let's try it out.